A very good morning, students. Hope all of you fit and healthy at your home and your study is going very well because your annual exam is coming soon. Your timetable is given also. So, beta, be careful for your studies. Be attentive for your studies. Okay, students. Let's start today's classes. Today's the date is 22nd February 2021. This is your revision class and in SST class, this is your syllabus. I mention now here chapter 17. I mention now only names, chapters number. Chapter 17, this is agriculture. Chapter 18, our industries. Chapter 25, tell me student, what is the name of the chapter 25? Chapter 25 is our goals, rights and duties. And the last chapter is chapter 27. It is our rights. Sorry, it is our national symbols. These four chapters are coming in your annual examination. Maximum marks is SST subjects is 90 marks. Time is 90 minutes. Okay. Number of question is 50. An exam based on MCQS. Annual exam is based on MCQS. And your exam mode is online. Okay, beta. In your annual examination, there is one question and the answer, there is the number of answers are more than 2, 3. And you have to choose now, beta, which one is the correct option. You have to click, you have to choose only right answers. Okay. So students, chapter 17 revision work is done. If you are not watched my video, then you can see it and note down the all questions from the videos. Today we will do the revision work of chapter 18. And chapter 18 is our industries. Our industries. When we are completing now chapter wise revision, after that I will give you some revision test paper. Okay, and that is based on MCQ types questions. Okay, beta, and you have to practice some more and more MCQ types question because this is good for you because your exam is based on it. Okay, then let's start this today's classes. And in today's class, your chapter is our industries. What is the meaning of industries? Tell me anyone. I told you when I am explaining this chapter, I told you what is the meaning of industries. Our industry is named for whole process of production of anything in factories. Okay, it means the whole process of production of things in factories. Suppose that, anyone tell me, suppose that the farmers grow wheat. Here listen everyone. So farmers grow wheat in their field, and that wheat is used to many things like that. That wheat flour is to making for bread. That wheat is making for bread base in some biscuits and as a flour. These all process are done. It means wheat convert into flour and different things in a factories. I hope all things are clear now. And in according to their kinds, the industries are three kinds. How many kinds? Three kinds. Okay. First is cottage industries. Cottage industries. cottage industries. Second is small scale industries. Small scale industries. And third is large scale industries. According to their capital means money. According to number of people, number of workers are doing their work. Okay, the industries are categorized in three groups. First is cottage industries. Look at here, beta. First is cottage industries. In cottage industries, people work their work at home and they produce a small quantity of goods. Okay, like that, making of shoes, making shawls, and some like that handicraft, this type of pot making industries. These are the example of cottage industries. And in the second is small scale industries. In small scale industries, people work in small factories. Okay, and this industries is run by the few peoples, few numbers of peoples. That type of industries are example of small scale industries. And the example of this industries are like that parts of cycle making, fans. Some small industries are examples of like that soaps making and sanitizer making. These are the example of small scale industries. And this one is a large scale industries. Large scale industries, it means a large number of workers are employed in a big factories. Like that iron and steel industries, textile industries, automobile industries. Okay, these are the explanation of about industries. And iron and steel industries, it is the backbone of the industries. And what things industries need? Four things to make their products. Okay, first is raw material, second is electricity, then machines, workers, and capital also. Capital means money. This is the basic things to set up a industries. After that, some factors are also needed. What is the climate of industries, climate of the atmosphere? These all things are depend to set up any industries. For example, mostly the textile industries are set up in Maharashtra and Gujarat, because these two states are near in coastal area, and there is a moist climate, and it is very good for textile industries. Okay, beta. So all of you read this chapter, and especially this page number also 113. This is very most important page number from your book, so everyone learn this page number. And here is the some information about the industries, so everyone read these lines very carefully and underline these things also. Okay, like that here BHEL means Bharat Heavy Electronics. It is in Bhopal and Ranchi for manufacturing heavy electrical goods. Railway engines are produced in West Bengal, Chittaranjan, and DLW in Varanasi. And Varanasi is in your city, Varanasi. It is situated in Uttar Pradesh. Railway coaches are produced at Perambur in Tamil Nadu and Kapurthala in Punjab. And aeroplanes are being manufactured at Kanpur, and Kanpur, it is situated in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, these all points all of you learn from your book. It is very good for you. Okay, I hope all things are clear now from this chapter. And industries are giving too much employment to many peoples, and it increase the prosperity of any country. Okay, beta. So this chapter is very good for point of view of your exam. This time we have to do some MCQ type questions, some practice now, which are based on this chapter. Okay, so everyone open your SST copy and write now some questions. First question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Everyone note down these questions. First question is, here is the HMT produce first. A is steel, B is watches, then C is none of these. Okay, then next question is, question number 2 is railway engines. Railway engines are produced in dash. A is Bengal, B is Punjab, C is Haryana. Then next question is, question number 3 is the backbone of all industries is dash. First is iron and steel industry. B is textile industry. Then third is, C is automobile industries. Okay, these things. Then one by one I will give you the answer. First is the HMT produce watches. So your B option will here correct, and you all of you choose now the B option. The HMT produce watches. Okay, and it is very old industries, and this industries is set up in Bangalore. Okay, old machine tool industries, and Bangalore, Pinjore, Hyderabad, in this states. Okay, then move to the question number 2 is railway engine. Here is too confusion. Railway engine, if the question is about asking railway engines, look at here everyone, beta. Railway, the question is asking about railway engines are produced in. It means railway engines are produced in West Bengal in Chittaranjan in West Bengal, and Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. So your, according to your question, is right option A. If the question is asking about railway coaches are produced in, that time your option will B is correct, because the railway coaches are produced in Perambur in Tamil Nadu and Kapurthala in Punjab. So be careful for that. Then move to the question number 3. The question number 3 is the backbone of all industries. It is iron and steel industries, because all machines are made of it. That's why iron and steel industries is the backbone of all industries, and your E option will here correct. Then move to the true false questions. Okay, I hope all of you done now these questions in your copy. Then move to the next question. Next question is Question is true, false. Question number B is true, T for true, F for false. Question number 1 is here. According to your book, everyone right now, aeroplanes are being manufactured at Varanasi and Kanpur. A is true, B is false, and C is none of these. None of these. All of you think about this question. Then after that, question number 2 I am writing now. Automobiles are produced at Gurugram near Delhi. This sentence A true, B false, and C is none of these. Then move to the question number 3. This is the last question from today's revision class. This question is textile industries is not the oldest industry in India. Option A true, B false, then C is none of these. I hope all of you done now the answers also. First all of you check now your answers. Question number A is aeroplanes are being manufactured at Varanasi and Kanpur. This sentence is wrong. Right, tell me anyone. Aeroplanes are being manufactured at Kanpur and Bengaluru. Okay. But here is mentioned now the Varanasi. That's why this option B will here correct. Okay. Your B option here correct. It is false. Okay. Then second is this one is correct but this is wrong. That's why according to your question B option will here correct. Next question is automobile are produced at Gurugram near Delhi. Yes, it is the correct answer. This is the true. Third is, students, look at here. Textile industry is not the, pay attention this word, not. Textile industry is not the oldest industry in India. It's a false because the textile industry is the oldest industry in our country. That's why your B option will here correct beta, and all of you do some this type of MCQ type questions. Okay, this is good for you. Okay beta, in next class we will do the next chapter. Till then, have a nice day.